Every trip to the supermarket these days feels like a test of patience and budgeting skills. With the prices of fresh vegetables climbing higher each week, it's no wonder so many of us feel overwhelmed and frustrated at the checkout counter. For families everywhere, this financial squeeze forces us to reconsider not just what we buy, but where our food comes from and how much we're willing or able to spend on it. At the same time, our living spaces are shrinking. Many of us now live in apartments or homes with only a tiny backyard, a handful of pots, or a modest balcony to call our own. It's easy to believe that growing your own food requires a sprawling garden or acres of land, but that's simply not the case. Even the smallest spaces can be transformed into productive gardens. The real challenge isn't the size of your space, but how creatively and efficiently you use what you have. With a little planning, even a balcony or windowsill can yield fresh produce. You don't need expensive gadgets, high-tech systems, or fancy tools to get started. Sometimes, the simplest methods are the most effective. Instead, we can look to those who have mastered the art of small-space gardening for generations. People who know how to make every inch count and pass down their wisdom through hands-on experience. The real secret isn't in the size of your garden, but in the care, attention, and creativity you bring to it. Even a few square feet can provide a surprising harvest. So let's explore together how you can turn even the tiniest plot, balcony, or patio into a thriving source of abundance, flavor, and satisfaction, no matter where you live. Amish communities have perfected the art of living from the land, producing an incredible abundance from small gardens. Their approach is rooted in practical knowledge, not trends. Every inch of soil is used efficiently, with a focus on health and sustainability. They achieve high productivity without chemical fertilizers or pesticides, relying on organic, time-honored methods. Their gardens are balanced ecosystems, not sterile factory floors. By working with nature, they've created systems anyone can learn from. It's about observation, patience, and smart choices, building rich soil, choosing the right plants, and using space wisely. The Amish remind us that old ideas can yield the best results, even in the smallest urban plots. For the Amish, everything starts with healthy soil. They believe that the earth is a living, breathing foundation for all life, and caring for it is both a responsibility and a tradition passed down through generations. Their secret? Homemade compost, created by carefully layering green and brown materials, kitchen scraps, grass clippings, dried leaves, and straw. This blend creates a nutrient-rich mixture that transforms waste into valuable food for the soil, all without the need for synthetic fertilizers. Nothing goes to waste. Even eggshells and banana peels are returned to the earth. Every bit of organic matter is seen as a resource, not trash, and is thoughtfully recycled back into the garden ecosystem. Sometimes scraps are buried directly between rows, feeding plants as they decompose. This simple act not only nourishes the soil, but also encourages beneficial microbes and earthworms to thrive, creating a living network beneath the surface. Crop rotation and cover crops like clover or rye keep the soil fertile and prevent disease. By rotating crops and planting cover crops, the Amish naturally replenish nutrients and break cycles of pests and disease, ensuring long-term soil health. After harvest, they never leave soil bare. Cover crops protect and enrich it over winter. These plants shield the earth from erosion, add organic matter, and help lock in moisture, preparing the ground for the next season's growth. This cycle of feeding the soil ensures a thriving garden year after year. The result is a landscape bursting with healthy, vibrant plants and bountiful harvests, all rooted in the care given to the soil. Simple, sustainable, and effective, these methods build the foundation for abundance. The Amish show us that with patience and respect for nature, anyone can nurture the land and reap its rewards. Healthy soil means healthy plants, and that's where true productivity begins. When the soil is alive and well, every seed planted has the best chance to flourish. Anyone can adopt these practices, no matter the size of their garden. Whether you have a sprawling plot or a few pots on a balcony, building soil the Amish way brings life, resilience, and abundance to any garden space. The Amish manage pests by working with nature, not against it. Companion planting is key. Flowers like marigolds repel pests, while herbs attract beneficial insects. Ladybirds and lacewings help control aphids, creating a self-regulating ecosystem. Regular inspection is essential. Hand-picking pests and removing them keeps problems in check. For fungal diseases, simple remedies like milk sprays or baking soda are used. Good air circulation and proper spacing prevent many issues before they start. No chemicals, just observation and timely action. This approach protects pollinators and keeps the garden healthy. With vigilance and a few clever tricks, anyone can manage pests naturally. It's about balance, not eradication. Extending the growing season is crucial, and the Amish excel with simple, efficient greenhouses. Their homemade structures use local wood and greenhouse plastic, often built against a south-facing wall. Passive solar energy warms the space. Stone walls and water barrels absorb heat by day and release it at night. Tiered shelving and smart layout maximize every inch, growing cold, hardy greens and starting seeds early. Even in winter, these greenhouses are filled with life while outdoor gardens sleep. No expensive heating, just clever design and basic physics. This allows for fresh harvest year-round and a head start on spring. Ingenuity, not expense, makes a productive winter garden possible. Choosing the right crops is vital in small spaces. Root vegetables like carrots and beets grow densely and store well. Climbing beans and peas use vertical space, producing abundant harvests from minimal ground. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach offer continuous harvests. Pick outer leaves and the plant keeps growing. Succession planting ensures a steady supply from spring to frost. Perennial herbs and dwarf fruit trees add flavor and variety, thriving in pots or small beds. Self-seeding plants like calendula fill gaps with little effort. Every plant is chosen for productivity and multiple uses. With smart selection, even a tiny garden can feed a family. It's about maximizing output, not just filling space. The Amish waste no space, using intensive planting to maximize every square foot. Intercropping, like growing squash between corn, lets plants support each other and conserve resources. Succession planting keeps beds productive all season. Harvest one crop, plant another. Vertical gardening is essential. Trellises, arches, and fences support climbing crops and free up ground space. Multi-level planters and towers grow strawberries, potatoes, or herbs upward, not outward. These methods multiply your harvest without expanding your footprint. Creative use of vertical space turns a small garden into a powerhouse. Planning and timing are key to keeping the garden always in production. Simple structures and smart combinations make a huge difference. Think in 3 dimensions for maximum abundance. Water is precious, and the Amish use it wisely with simple, effective methods. Rain barrels collect free water for the garden, reducing reliance on main supply. Unglazed clay pots or ollas, buried in beds, slowly release water directly to roots, minimizing waste. Mulch, straw, leaves, or grass, keeps soil moist, suppresses weeds, and adds organic matter as it breaks down. Deep, infrequent watering encourages strong roots and drought resilience. Watering early in the morning reduces evaporation and disease risk. Observation, not rigid schedules, guides their watering routine. These low-tech solutions save water, time, and money. Healthy, hydrated plants are more productive and resilient. Anyone can adopt these practices for a thriving, sustainable garden. The Amish show us that simplicity and care are the keys to a beautiful, productive garden. Their approach is rooted in tradition, yet it feels timeless, reminding us that you don't need fancy equipment or expensive materials to create something truly special. Instead, it's about being present, attentive, and working in harmony with the land. Their tools are basic but well-maintained, reflecting respect for the work and the land. Each tool tells a story of seasons past, of hands that have shaped the earth with patience and intention. Caring for these tools is as much a part of gardening as planting seeds or harvesting crops. Gardening becomes a mindful practice, turning compost, hand-picking pests, watering by hand. These simple acts, repeated day after day, become rituals that ground us in the present moment. They teach us to observe closely, to notice the small changes, and to respond with gentle care. These routines connect us to nature and the seasons, teaching patience and resilience. As we work the soil, we learn to adapt to changing weather, to celebrate small victories, and to accept setbacks as part of the journey. Gardening is a partnership with the earth, and every season brings new lessons. You don't need a big budget or a large plot, just a few pots, a rain barrel, and some kitchen scraps to start. Even the smallest space can become a thriving oasis with a bit of creativity and care. Urban balconies, tiny patios, or sunny windowsills all hold the potential for growth. Practical, common-sense methods can be adapted to any space. Raised beds, vertical gardens, and container planting make it possible to grow food almost anywhere. With a little ingenuity, you can maximize every inch and enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing life. This approach empowers anyone to grow food and create abundance. The joy of harvesting your own vegetables, no matter how small the yield, is deeply rewarding. It fosters a sense of accomplishment and connection to the food you eat. The rewards go beyond food. A garden that's beautiful, resilient, and full of life. Flowers attract pollinators, vegetables nourish your family, and the whole space becomes a sanctuary for both people and wildlife. With simple wisdom and a willingness to work with nature, anyone can cultivate a small paradise. The peace and satisfaction found in a garden are gifts that last long after the harvest is done. Your garden can feed both body and soul all year long. It becomes a place of nourishment, beauty, and renewal, a lasting testament to the power of simplicity and care.